have zero vested interest in the tea subsector. And that is why these reforms will succeed, because there will be no conflict of interest. Sisi uhusiano wetu na chai na rais ni ile tu iko kwa kikombe peke yake. Hatuna interest ingine. We only want the farmer to thrive. I therefore invite you to an open let us explore lasting legal, policy, administrative and operational strategies of returning the tea money to where it belongs, to the farmer. So when I was coming last night and I flew over the tea plantations, as I looked down and appreciated the beauty, the serene vegetation, how beautiful the tea looks. I asked for the farmers who farm tea to look equally beautiful like the tea bushes. Mifuko yao. Conditions are so beautiful. It's a sight to behold. But beside that beauty is misery for the farmer. Kwa hivyo tuko hapa tuongee